Our Computex 2018 coverage was made possible by Aerocool, Synology and Alphacool. Hey everyone, Andy Raffel from eTeknix.com, and we are in the most amazing hotel room I've ever seen in my life. If we actually just pan over there, you'll see kind of what's going on because they've decided to do a bit of an effect, shall we say. We're actually at the W Hotel. We're at the Aerocool and ThunderX3 suite, essentially. So what we're actually doing here is we're just having a look at all the products that they've got, and there's so many that we're actually going to split this up into separate videos. So be sure to check out the other ones on YouTube. But I want to talk about furniture. You may remember I did a video in Cologne in Germany, and it was basically a furniture show. Aerocool was showing off some of their latest and greatest furniture. So as you can see, we've got a whole host of stuff. So let's have a little look around and sort of see what's going on. So, start with, we've got the Project 7 BB1. So this is essentially a really soft beanbag. It's going to be perfect in a sort of gaming environment, a living room, anywhere where you can essentially just chill out, play games, and kind of off you go. So as you can see, we've got a few of them going on here. As we go round, we're actually going to start looking at the ThunderX3 branded stuff, which is a sub-brand of Aerocool, but they are trying to keep things a little bit different and you know, not sort of overlapping too much with the product range. So again, ThunderX3, we've got a gaming beanbag. So this is a DB5. This is a little bit softer, probably not the same sort of style as the Aerocool one, but pretty nice overall. Perfect to sort of sit in and lounge about them. Again, just more of them skirted down here essentially. There are a few other products downstairs. If we just sort of bring the camera over here, you'll see that there's plenty of seats and things like that down there. So I guess we should go down and have a little look. So carrying on with the furniture, obviously we did say downstairs there is a little bit more to see. So starting with the first one, we have the US5. So essentially you've got a gaming chair. This is something that we haven't really seen in the market before. Obviously I have covered these again at the furniture show that I went to in Cologne, but it's just something a little bit different. So you have got sort of really comfortable sides, really nice kind of quality feel to it with the blue Aerocool stitching and obviously the blue piping as well. You do have a pocket down here to put your remote, your controller, everything that a gamer's going to need. Maybe even a can of Red Bull or something like that. If we follow on round, you'll see obviously up from the US5, we do have the US7, which is just basically its bigger brother. So again, really sort of soft, comfortable sides with this really thick piping and nice stitching on there. We do have a little pocket down here to put, again, your controller and your remote and everything in, and just really sort of, nice deep seat. Like I say, we've never really seen anything like this before, so it is really nice to sort of see something like this coming to market. It is a kind of leatherette with a carbon pattern on there, and we're really looking forward to see these come to market. As we go around, we have got some, again, next steps up. So this is the Project 7 CH1 Air. So the reason that it's called the Air is obviously it has got perforation on there for them long gaming sessions where you're going to be sitting there for a long time. You're just going to be able to sort of, really not have problems with sort of getting too hot. It does come with this nice cushion as well, which is really, really nice. It has a kind of soft feel to it, but it does bounce back really, really quickly. And if I remember rightly, this bit actually comes out, so you do have plenty of storage in here as well. Again, you may be sort of, gaming, whether it be using controllers and that, you have the sort of pocket on the side, but if you're not using controllers, you might have a keyboard and mouse. Obviously, it's not going to fit in there, so this is going to be perfect for those types of gamers. So really looking forward to these coming to market. No word on pricing as of yet, but we're expecting it to be quite modest. I mean, you do get, really good quality with this, so not expecting them to be too high, but again, it's going to vary region to region. And then lastly, as we come over here, we really do have the big daddy. So this is the Project 7 CH2 Air. Essentially, you could quite easily fit you and your kid on it. Again, it's got the air perforation on there, and I don't think this one actually comes out, but it does have large pockets down the side, so you should be able to fit a keyboard, mouse, controllers, remote controls and everything there. So there you go, guys. So this is it really for showing you the furniture that's coming from sort of Aerocool and ThunderX3. So we do have a nice little variety between the two brands, and we really can't wait to see these come to market. When you do, be sure to check out eTeknix.com because we will have reviews, we'll have videos, we'll be looking at all this stuff in a lot more detail. Remember to stay tuned for more Computex coverage from Taipei, Computex 2018, and I'll see you in the next one. See you later.